Unveiling Pure Bliss, the ultimate expression of happiness. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and evocative phrase in the English language, pure bliss. It's a term that paints a picture of perfect happiness and contentment. If you've ever wondered what it means to experience true joy without any mix of sorrow or pain, you're in the right place. Let's explore the essence of pure bliss together. The phrase, pure bliss, is made up of two powerful words. Pure means free from anything that taints. It's complete and utter. Bliss, on the other hand, is a state of great joy or happiness. When these words combine, they describe a feeling that is unadulterated joy, untainted by any negativity. It's often used to express the highest level of happiness one can achieve. To truly grasp the phrase, let's see it in action. Here are a few examples. Lying on the beach, listening to the waves, I was in a state of pure bliss. For her, pure bliss was a quiet evening with a good book and a cup of tea. The smile on his face when he saw her walk down the aisle was pure bliss. These sentences show that pure bliss can be found in simple moments or life-changing events. It's subjective and can mean different things to different people. You might wonder, when is it appropriate to use this phrase? Pure bliss is perfect for moments when you're describing a scene, feeling, or experience that is profoundly joyful and serene. It's especially powerful in creative writing, storytelling, or when sharing personal experiences that are filled with happiness. The phrase, pure bliss, has resonated through various aspects of culture. It's been used in literature, music, and even in branding for products that promise the ultimate pleasure or comfort. It taps into the universal quest for happiness and the desire to find moments of perfect contentment in life. In our journey to understand pure bliss, we've uncovered the layers of its meaning and seen how it's used to articulate profound joy. Whether you're describing a peaceful moment alone or a significant event that brings unparalleled happiness, pure bliss is the phrase that captures the essence of those experiences. We hope this video brings a little slice of bliss into your day. Keep learning and keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next video.